Morning peeps, and what a morning this is looking to be. As you can see, a bit of intro, a bit of B-roll. What a road that is. But we're fucked already, both out of breath. We've got a halfway welcoming party because looking out for a view. We're on the Quiraing. So this will probably be a two-part video. This is part one. We're going to the other side of the Quiraing. So I said everyone goes to the left, we're going to the right. But it's 7 o'clock in the morning. It's a bit of a leg burner straight off. So yeah, we're trying to get up and up, ready for sunrise. So come with us and see what we can find, because there's just epic views all around. Thinking, going to this right hand side of the Quiraing. Word of advice: it is a bloody killer, really is. But you won't like this. Look at this. We are going to be going down there somewhere. Don't know where yet, but for the time being, we're going to take a few shots from up here. Just while this light's nice and muted. Pretty much most of it up here for a good 20 minutes. Because we're knackered. More than else, we're knackered getting to this point. But yeah, the light now is just casting a few little spots, so yeah. We'll get sorted out with a few images. When we do, get my breath back, I'll come back to you. Because we're going that little bit further. Right peeps, first shot in the bag, and I'm about to do a panorama. Just across this ridge here. I don't want to get too close, I'm shit scared of heights, but if you look down here, that is just one sheer bloody drop. But casting on the Guardians down here. But I'm going to come around this side where Daz is shooting now, because this light is going to break through that mist and cast straight down here. If I show you down here, that's the view we're getting. So yeah. So I've had to bracket that one because obviously shooting into the sun. Thought I'd get it while it breaks through that haze. So I'll come out to this side now, which will be landscape orientation. And so I'll bob this panel on now for you while I get set up around that side. Show you this one. There we go. I don't want to go too wide, even though I'm going to put the wide angle on, just go a little bit wider because I don't want to lose the scale of it. But got the light just hitting this little rock here, just catching it across that side now. Now it's breaking through and hitting the rock faces all the way down. Look at that. On the Quiraing, you can start seeing the needle. So yeah, what a morning this is. Got time lapse going as well for you. Also, well, I've been shooting down at this side here, but that sun's too harsh a bit minute just to get these pinnacles in down here. As you can see, there it is banging the camera at that side. Across here, yeah, this is really nice, is this. That is there shooting down. So what I'll do, I'll put the wide angle on and then I'll bob these up for the time being. face. Got the light breaking through now. Just hitting this little outcrop here that I've got just tucked in the corner of the frame. Hitting that ridge over on the right hand side. Just over there. I'm at what? 22mm now. So I've got the wide angle up, but not too wide. And as it comes up all the way down this side here. Oh yeah, absolutely fantastic. So yeah, absolutely buzzing. What I'll do, I'll put this on film for you to tell me. I'm going to take 1 or 2 more images, then get walking round to this other side, just to see what that's like, just before the light gets a little bit too harsh as such. But yeah, this is what the effort is. Put the effort in and you get rewarded. And by hell, it's a walk and a half up here. So we're going to try and get them 2 cheese slices, also known as the Guardians. Where we'll go down, don't know yet, but we'll find out. But walking across, don't know if this will pick this up or not, but you can see all the distant islands over yonder. Just a little group there, one just this left hand side here as well somewhere. I'll try and crop in on this so you can see it. But yeah, the sky today, after yesterday's absolute downpour where we had snow on the tops, water bashing us in the face when we last week's vlog at the fairy pools. Yeah, what a day this is. So yeah, let's go a bit further anyway before I carry on waffling and see what else we can find. There's a reason why this is the #1 view in Skye, and it takes a bit of effort to get to. Besides that, absolutely shitting myself. That's at one side because we have come over the top. Look at that. This is the best view I've ever seen. Photography wise, this is absolutely unbelievable. Takes a bit of effort, but my God, you are rewarded. Anyway, enough of me waffling. I'm going to get the camera out while we've still got a bit of golden light, so I'll come back to you in a wee while because this is unbelievable. People ask, why do you do landscape photography? And you go places and it just doesn't happen and this, that and the other. Well, if you're out with friends and stuff like that, it doesn't really matter, does it? You're out having a good laugh and that. But when it all comes together, it is well worthwhile. And I'm going to show you why. Dad is here with his Scottish hat on the famous Isle of Skye, shooting one epic view. This is unbelievable. I'll put you through the viewfinder and you can see why. That is why. Zoomed in at what, 35mm. Got the Guardians on the left hand side, this other big mountain on the right hand side, and oh, it just takes you out and out and out. The Quiraing, everyone goes to the other side. Oh, but this side here, this is unbelievable. No wonder Photography Online said this was the #1 view in Skye. I must admit, what you see on TV and that, and on YouTube, it doesn't do it justice, does it, Dad? This is just, yeah, it does not do it justice to see this in person. Yeah, it is unbelievable. Anyway, enough of me waffling. I'm going to bag one or two of these images on for you because I'm going to get the drone up. Right, peeps, I'll put it that way because this sun is well and truly up now. Right, peeps, it feels like ages since I spoke to you last. It probably is. We've just been sat here watching the world go around. You can hear the sea coming in. I've had the drone up. Oh, we're getting layers upon layers over in distance, so I might take a shot from over there for you. But for the meantime, I've got it on a vertical orientation, just with the Guardians in the main foreground interest, and the ridge just leads you off and off the Quiraing. Oh, I know I keep saying it, but what a place. I mean, what a trip this has been as well. And it ain't over yet. We've got 2 more days. Well, we've got one morning left on Isle of Skye before we start to head back. But we have got a little stop off in Glencoe, at a location that I don't think has been vlogged before. Like, it may have been just once. But yeah, if we can find it, then that's another treat for you. Anyway, for the meantime, I'm going to leave you with a time lapse, a bit more drone footage, and all the final images. Because yeah, when you're at a place like this, you need to make the most of it. I think we have done this morning well and truly. So Daz is still filling his boots, look. Still got his hat on. We're getting surrounded by birds. They must be vultures because they know we've got to try and get back yet. So anyway, I'll leave you with all the final images. As always, if you've enjoyed this, please give us your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in part 2. Because this afternoon, we're going on to the other side.
I see the darkness all around, trying to find my way out, trying to find my way out. My heart, it wanders through the night, searching for the starlight, searching for the starlight. The shadows, I'm following the light home. I know I see tomorrow.